right, well, the root ripper took a bend right here from the force of the blade pulling one way. Well, this is pulling the other way. The center section kind of is starting to bow out a little bit. So we're going to try to bend it back, and then I'm going to weld something on here to kind of reinforce it. All right, hopefully you can see how I've got this rigged up. We've got a bottle jack directly over the bend. I got it spaced up just because the base of the bottle jack wouldn't fit there with the gussets. A chain going from the top of the bottle jack all the way around. And this is a heavy duty chain. I think it's a 1/2 inch chain. And if this jack doesn't do it, we're gonna get the 50-ton jack out, which I haven't even got to use it since I rebuilt it. And if you haven't seen that video, please check that out. I made an abridged version start to finish, and it worked out much better. Now you definitely wanna stay out of line with that chain. Granted, it's not like a rope. It shouldn't blow apart, you know, snap back. Once it's straight, I'm gonna go a little bit past straight. Oh, it has to go more. I should probably just try to clamp this on here, huh? All right, now we should have a pretty good visualization of this thing straightening out. Oh, it is straight. I'm already past straight. Okay, let's take it back and see what happens. Nope, still bowed out just a little bit, so we'll take it up again. You know, I'm gonna call that good. No need to take it any further. Oh, cool. Well, that's how you can use a bottle jack to straighten out steel. Chain it, pull it up, use the bottle jack as your force. Then I found this 1¼ inch solid steel, I think it's a manure bucket tine, and this just seems like stronger steel, seems stiffer. And in case you've never seen them before, these Walter Flex Cut, I think is what they're called. Yeah, Flex Cut mill scale. See if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, Walter Flex Cut mill scale. So much better than a flap disc. I am so sick of flap discs. They're like $8 to $10 a piece. I literally get one use out of them, and all the grains falling off, and oh my Lord, so much nicer. It does leave a little groove. It's not as smooth as a flap disc, but most of what I'm doing doesn't really need that. So just a tip for you. If you're just learning how to weld, make your job as easy as possible. Yes, learning how to weld overhead and vertical is important, but at the same time, if you can put the thing that you're welding in a horizontal position, do it. 1%, battery's gonna die. I really think that is gonna be more than strong enough now. Something else has gotta break, because there's no way all of that is gonna bend. I don't think anyway. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. One thing's for sure, it's gonna be heavier now.